how are you all doing? It's me, Grace. Welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, guys, as you can tell from the title, I'll be sharing with you my review of the Guerisson 9 Complex Cream. So guys, as you all know, I really love trying out new Korean skincare products, and ever since na napagaling na Korean skincare yung aking acne, I've been just really loyal to Korean skincare, and ayan, I always try to search for new products na would really help with my skin. And ayun, part to ng mga binili ko sa aking recent Korean skincare haul. So guys, if hindi nyo pa yun napapanood, I'll be putting the link of that video somewhere here. So as you all know, meron akong different ginagamit na moisturizer for day and night. And ito yung napili kong gamitin as my night moisturizer. Again, this is the Guerisson 9 Complex Horse Oil Cream. And this is how the packaging looks like. So, ayan. Very, ang tawag dito? Very shallow yung lalagyan niya. Lalagyan pa lang to, guys, hindi pa yung mismong product. Kapag in-open mo naman siya is, ayan, makikita mo na yung mismong product, and the jar looks like this. Makikita mo na sa ilalim yung spatula niya. And nga pala, guys, before making this video or this review, ay ginamit ko muna itong product na to for 2 months before sharing with you my thoughts and experiences. Claims to deeply hydrate, smoothen, and soften skin. The horse oil is provides faster absorption by increasing cell metabolism and improving moisture retention, help lighten stretch marks and acne scars, improves the appearance of wrinkles, rejuvenates and renews with vitamin E, and it is with lightly scent fresh citrus fragrance. It is said na this is perfect night cream for dry, dehydrated skin. So guys, this is retailed for 850 pesos dito sa Beauty M&L. Again, I've been using this for 2 months already, and ayan pa lang siya, halos wala pa ako sa kalahati ng jar, and really worth for 850 pesos. And ano nga ba yung mga nagustuhan ko dito sa product na to, or ano nga ba yung napansin ko sa aking skin after ko siyang gamitin? Guys, this is definitely the best night cream I've ever tried in my life. Wow, talagang ganun yung no? Kasi I don't know if nasabi ko na sa inyo dati, pero I have really deep laugh line dito sa part na to. Parang naging insecurity ko na tong laugh line na to. But when I started using talaga tong Guerisson, wala naman ako actually, hindi ko pa alam nun yung claims ng product. Ang alam ko lang, it's really a deep moisturizer, perfect for nighttime. Kaya sabi ko, tatry ko siya. Pero when I started using this, guys, as in, I swear, napansin ko na yung laugh line ko is medyo umimpis siya. Tapos parang hindi na siya ganun kakita as it was before. Especially ngayon, guys, na I am already in my late 20s, kinakailangan na, of course, yung mga ginagamit natin sa face natin is meron ng anti-aging properties. Kasi, ayan, para ma-prevent natin yung ating skin from aging. Kaya naman, ayun, yun yung pinakauna ko napansin sa kanya, guys. The next thing na napansin ko sa kanya, guys, is that after ko siyang gamitin, the morning after is pagkagising ko, mapapansin mo na talaga na sobrang soft and smooth ng skin ko. As in, parang deeply moisturized talaga siya. So, minsan, may mga times na natatamad ako na gawin yung aking 10-step Korean skincare routine. Kaya minsan pag may mga times sa ganun, as in, nilalather ko lang to sa face ko, talagang nalagay ko lang siya, and pagkagising ko, parang nakompleto mo na yung 10-step Korean skincare routine. As in, no joke. Ang soft niya, ang smooth ng skin ko, and the thing about it lang is that sobrang oily talaga ng face mo. Makikita mo, naging effect niya sa skin mo is that matutuwa ka talaga. The only thing about this cream is that I do not recommend it na gamitin nyo siya pag summer. Kasi sobrang mabigat talaga siya sa feeling. Tapos, sobrang rich na kasi. Ayan na, ganyan lang kakonti yan. Pero, hindi ko alam kung makikita ninyo. It really gave me yung effect na gusto ko. and so much more. Hindi lang niya na-moisturize yung face ko, but also it helped me with diminishing yung mga acne scars or yung pimple marks usually kapag nagkakaroon ako ng occasional breakouts. And ayun na nga, napansin ko na na-lighten niya or na-diminish niya yung aking laugh line. So guys, if you are interested to buy, ito na talaga yung parang holy grail status for night cream, you guys. I highly recommend this. Medyo pricey lang siya at first, but then again, 2 months na guys, and my skin has been loving it. I cannot thank enough itong Guerisson 9 Complex Cream. Especially ngayon na bare months na dito sa Philippines, magandang gamitin na to kasi medyo lumalamig na. So, hindi na ganoon ka-irritating gamitin yung product kasi, medyo malamig na. So, ayan, hindi na masyado malagkit sa feeling. And, ayun, I super love this. And if you haven't tried this one yet, I highly suggest. Ayun, nakita ko na. Nakita ko na, dito na pala sa gilid. This is 70 grams. So, for 70 grams is, ayan, definitely this is worth it. This is worth adding to your skincare routine. And, ayun, I cannot thank enough Claire's Korea for giving this horse oil cream to us kasi definitely guys, this really is a game changer. That's it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed watching and find this review helpful. If you like this video, please do not forget to give this video a thumbs up, comment down below, and subscribe to my channel. I will see you in the next video. Bye bye!